Hey, this is Big Fred TN. I'm making a change to my 2019 Road Glide Twisted Cherry. I'm taking the stock brake pedal off and putting it as a Softbrake +3 model on to give me a little more leg room on the motorcycle. And what I'm doing, I've taken the bracket off that holds the actual master cylinder. I've seen some videos where people were taking the crash bars off and loosening those up to get to the cotter pin on the back of the brake lever. Well, on Softbrake's website, they have a video showing them removing it. And you remove 2 bolts from the bracket and the whole assembly slides off. Like I said, I've been working on this 5 minutes, and that's the easiest way to do it. And I'll show you a completed result when I'm finished. And I'm also adding floorboard extensions to move the floorboard out 3/4 of an inch to see how much room I get. I'm doing both sides. And also getting rid of my heel toe shifter and going to a longer just toe shifter. And like I said, once I get finished, I'll show you the video. This is Big Fred TN working on 2019 Road Glide.